Hi, today we're gonna be showing you how to cut and eat a star fruit.
Yeah.
So another name for a star fruit is called Carambola. I don't really like that name, and there's sometimes these brownish parts, and there's also yellow. So first you want to cut out these edges. And also, when they kind of look like peppers before you cut them, but once you cut them, they look kind of like more starfish. They look like starfishes. So then, if you want, you could cut off these parts. I don't know why.
I think because they're dirty.
Do you want to see something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think because these parts are dirty, that's why you need to cut them off. Yeah.
Do you want to see anything else?
No.
So once you're done cutting those parts, you're gonna
Cut them
No, you're just gonna want to cut them
and then
like this.
and then eat them right. Taste them actually.
And first, you better wash them before you cut it or eat it because it's dirty.
It's hard to cut right.
The skin is edible, and this fruit smells like a combination of grape and plum. Tastes pretty much like nothing. Could you try it? No, you're not out. Use a knife.
I want to take this out.
So these fruits are actually really yummy. People say that they're healthy.
From the video
No.
that we were looking actually. I mean, no.
We know that from the internet.
Yeah.
Here you go. Try it and tell me how it tastes.
It tastes like cherry or like oranges. Yeah.
I'm not sure if the seeds are edible, so I'm just gonna take them out. This is so good. And if you want, you could play around with some. Pretend you have star eyes. Star eyes. Or you don't have to eat them. You could just dry them and stick them to a picture and make them look like giant stars
In the sky.
In the next video, we're gonna show you how to cut and eat different types of dragon fruits. And bye!